Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I found some of 35 mm films in my house. So I decided to restore them. To find out how I restored them, please watch till end and do not miss any step. So let's get started. For this you need a flashlight or any other flashlight you can use. It's not mandatory that you have to use this type of flashlight. And obviously you need some old negative films or 35 mm films. So after that we'll need a white sheet to cover the light or to diffuse the light so there is no harsh light coming. So after that we'll put the negative film on the white sheet. So to make it steady, put your phone on a stand or a tripod. After that we'll transfer it to Snapseed. Then here we'll first rotate it and crop it properly. Then after cropping it you can straighten it or you can use the 35 mm holder. So now I'll crop this image and after cropping it click on the tick sign, that is OK. Then after cropping it we'll go to curves. Then you can just click on RGB and with one click you will get the image, or you can do it by manually. So I'll do it manually. Click on red, then click it to the upper size, do as I am doing, and click the left cursor to the down. And after that we'll go to green color. Here also you'll do the same. Click the left side upper one and right side cursor down. You can see the image is slightly converted into the digital photo. So after one click you'll get the full image into a digital photo. So it is very easy to develop a negative film into a digitalized photo in seconds. So now you will click on the blue and do it as same as the other one. So you can see here is the final photo. It's looking so great. And after that we'll slightly retouch the photo, that is we'll slightly increase the brightness and contrast so it looks beautiful. After that we'll increase saturation also and some temperature. So after doing slightly enhancement, you can see the details are coming out. You can do adjustment of your own with your desired results. And I've increased some shadows and highlights also. After you're done with it, you can click on OK. So now you can see the image is looking very bright. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting, keep smiling. Bye bye.